France has once again been shaken by violent storms. Over the past 3 days, the skies have been filled with thunder, hail, and thousands of lightning strikes illuminating the night. From the massif central to Corsica, the fury of nature has left behind destruction and fear.
Oh putain! Oh putain!
It all began on Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025. The first storms formed in the central eastern regions. Torrential rain, strong winds, and hailstones the size of ping-pong balls battered Allier and Saône-et-Loire. In Nièvre, tragedy struck when a tree collapsed onto a car, claiming the life of a driver. But the most violent day came just 1 day later, Wednesday, the 27th of August. On this day alone, more than 20,000 lightning strikes were recorded across France. Giant supercells unleashed hail up to 4 centimeters wide, damaging homes, vehicles, and farmland. Small towns like Clessy and Palangis witnessed firsthand the unstoppable force of nature. By Thursday, the storms had shifted south. Provence and Var were hit with heavy rain and mudslides that blocked major roads. Although no lives were lost, material damages were significant.
Oh putain! Oh putain!
In Corsica, the situation was far worse. Winds exceeding 150 kilometers per hour, uprooted trees, brought down power lines, and left thousands of homes in darkness. The island was lit only by the relentless flashes of lightning tearing through the sky. Within just 3 days, France faced one of the most intense storm sequences of 2025. Hail, violent winds, and countless lightning strikes, all a powerful reminder of how small humanity is against the might of nature.